Hi, my name is Zach Miller, and I want to welcome you to my course. I want to thank you for putting your trust in me as your teacher. Now, before we begin and get too deep inside, I need to let you know something. Udemy, in a very, very short while, sometimes too short, is going to ask you for a review. I ask that you do give me 5 stars if you already enjoyed the course. If you haven't, then what you need to do is hold out. Just wait on that review till the end of the course. I'd rather you not leave a review than have a mixed message or not the full or clear picture. Because while I'm going to be trying to teach you as much juicy stuff as I can up front, let's face it, not everything in life is action and juicy and amazing. Some of these things are theory. You're going to have to think about what you need to do. Some of this takes planning and prepping. It's not all action and it's not all 100% fun. But that's what making money and doing something with your life is about. You're going to do some things that aren't fun. So I ask that you hold out. I hope that you've enjoyed the course when they ask you for the review. If you did, leave that review 5 stars. Awesome. But if not, wait till the end. There's going to be so much that we're going to cover. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump right in.